Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're excited to share this 5-star rating with you. And it's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible for our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we will work very hard to earn both. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.